quite recently, Mr. Wade signed us, the campus TV member, up for a workshop with an organization called Nova Learn. And Asim, would you like to explain a bit more about that workshop?
Sure. So basically, Nova Learn came to our school, and we also did go to their studio after a week or so. The purpose of coming here was to teach us about how to make a film, how we should do it, and talking about theories and everything. And literally on the exact same day that they taught us, we went straight into it. We got scripts, we got teams, we just went right for it, and it was super fun.
So we did separate it into two teams, Austin being in his own team and Crystal and I being in another team.
If my memory served me correct, the story that we did was about a school and principal. Me and Sans's group A basically, changed the script a little bit. We kept the principal and student role, but we changed the situation a bit, and then we also changed the outcome. From what I remember, Asim also did the same exact script. I mean, we all did the same exact script, but Asim followed the script more, basically. So I'm just gonna let him elaborate more.
You are completely wrong. We went very off script. I'm pretty sure we changed every single line, and we even added extras, to be honest. Yeah, because I don't know, when I just started doing it, I kind of just forced myself into a director role because ideas just came out of my head like constantly. Like my brain was firing so fast. It was a good experience, and also, especially when we went to their studio and we did the filming there. They taught us like different ways to film, certain styles to edit, and yeah, overall it was a great experience.
Okay, so my personal experience, I also thought it was like a super cool experience, especially since I got to act the most, because I usually work off screen editing, but now that I got to like have a chance, to be on screen, it was a very fun experience. Quite, guess I wouldn't really say nerve-wracking, but it felt not familiar, I guess. What's your guys' favorite moment of the set? For me, it was probably in the second workshop. I wouldn't necessarily call it favorite, but I guess it was kind of embarrassing. But when Asim's group was recording, basically I forgot to take off the mic. In Asim's recording, basically he was sleeping. You could just hear me like talking, and you could hear me talking like off screen with the mic on, and I said some like pretty stupid stuff, and it kind of felt like I sabotaged their work unintentionally. How about your guys' experience? Like, what was your favorite?
I think personally for me it would be quite close to what she said earlier about the sleeping scene, because me and my team had to re-record that like at least 20 times. Okay, maybe that's a bit dramatic, but still, we had to do it so many times because the scene actually was quite simple. It was just supposed to be me sleeping and then waking up from a nightmare and having a realization moment, but we somehow managed to screw that up like so many times.
If we're talking about on set, my favorite part was on set was changing my clothes to casual clothes, to school uniform to casual clothes, and I got to wear it more comfortable. But to be serious now, okay, my favorite part was filming outside, and then we got to film like different locations.
It's like this thing randomly popped up in my mind. Who was your favorite person you guys interacted with in the Nova Learn team? Well, I'll just say mine. Mine was Max. He was like that. He was like a little child, like teaching us how to edit. He was the editor, and he was the one who taught us how to edit in the second workshop. And he was like the sweetest person ever, like kind of like an innocent child. But yeah,
the favorite person on the set is me.
Wow, Crystal. Wow.
My favorite will forever and always will be Senor Wati.
So to end this off, I would like to thank Mr. Wadi for organizing this wonderful workshop for us.
Yes, we love Mr. Wadi.
Wait. I'm Izza, by the way. We forgot to thank Noah Learn, Sean, Steven, Max, Sarah. Thank you for making this experience a wonderful experience.
All right. Okay, thank you guys so much for tuning in on this episode of Campus TV Podcasts.